The McLaren 720S is the brand's next offering in their Super Sport series, replacing the 650S. Like its predecessor, the numerical value stands for its power output. It's the most visually distinctive McLaren since the P1, and it carries over the purposeful design language. The sweeping headlights are recessed in carbon fiber air sockets. There are large ducts directly underneath them, and the DRLs bridge across it. Almost all modern McLarens have headlights that directly reference the brand's logo. The housing has a similar shape, but the unit itself doesn't curve around as heavily. The intakes are cleanly integrated into the body. They're able to achieve this look without sacrificing cooling through the use of double-skin Dihedral doors. Dihedral doors are simply butterfly doors that aren't attached to the A-pillar. McLaren has been using these doors since the F1 in 1993. But what sets these apart is the channel in the body. This line starts on the hood, but it becomes the outer skin as it passes the A-pillar. Despite being a more discreet system, McLaren claims it provides a 15% increase in cooling over the traditional system from the 650S. Another opening behind the side blade improves aerodynamics. Lastly, there's a small conventional vent just behind the door line. The cabin rakes to the rear of the car in a teardrop pattern. Other cars in the range have made use of this element, but the 720S is McLaren's most aggressive application of this feature thus far. In addition to the roof itself, it's also accentuated by the double-skin bodywork. The curvy beltline gives the car a large daylight opening. The side view mirrors might look odd so far into the door, but it's positioned as to not interrupt airflow into the body. The haunches stretch nearly to the rearmost door line. The self-deploying spoiler curves into the hips of the car and covers the entire width of the rear end. A brake light is visible when it's deployed. Thin tail lights allude to the brand's logo, but they don't have as much curvature as some of their most recent products. The exhaust tips are way up on the rear grille and near the tail lights. The rest of the rear is composed of the ventilation system and rear diffuser. Most automakers put engineering over aesthetics, but McLaren takes the idea to another level. Each element of the design has an impact on driving dynamics, and the function of the individual elements can be deciphered by just looking at them. The mission with all of their cars is to be able to look at the individual components and how they interact. This mindset has been clearly realized with the 720S.